Welcome to third session of Vedic Maths Part 1. In today's session, we have three topics, that is division by 9, multiplication by series of 1, and magic squares. So let's start with the first topic, division by 9. Please enter your name. You said I have joined, but how I'll know who is that? Okay, there's a message I have joined, but your name is not there in the login name. Just enter your name. Okay, division by 9 is our first topic for today's session. Overall, it is 9 topic. It's a very simple topic. Say, consider if you are dividing, say, 25 by 9. Now, normal method, you will be doing like this. I hope you are taught like this only. So, you have to say table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So, threes are, it goes beyond this 25. So, you have to use 9 twos are 18 and then you subtract. So you cannot subtract 8 from 5, so you'll have to carry. So it becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. What remains here is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now there are no more digits, so it stops here, and 7 is less than 9, and that's why this is called remainder. And 2 here is called quotient. So if you divide 25 by 9, you get 2 as a quotient and 7 as a remainder. So now this same thing we'll try to do it very fast using Vedic method. 25 divided by 9. So we are finding quotient and remainder. Okay, the method is like this. Just hide last digit. Whatever the last digit you hide, what remains is a quotient. So if you hide last digit, that is 5 here, what remains is 2. That is the answer of quotient. Add digits, you get remainder. 2 plus 5 is 7. Any doubt? Hide last digit, what remains the quotient, add digits, you get remainder. Let's solve one more. 42 divided by 9. Quotient, hide last digit. So 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Anybody has doubt? Try this. 23. Sonam, say hide last digit. Just remove the last digit. What remains the quotient? In this case 2. Add digits. 2 plus 5. 7 is the remainder. Yeah, 42. Just remove last digit. Means you remove this 2. What remains is a quotient. Add digits. You get. Yes, Samarth, correct. You can just write in the chat box 2 numbers indicating first number quotient, second number remainder with 1 space when you're answering, and answer privately answer to me only. Only one has answered so far, others still not clear. Yeah, Anish, correct. Sana, you keep one gap between the 2 numbers, that's correct. Anish, correct. Bhavya, correct. Any doubt for others? Arav, correct. Isha, correct. Remove last 8, that means 3 you'll have to remove here. What remains is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Now answer this. 52 divided by 9. 52 divided by 9. Trisha correct. Arav correct. Anish correct. Bhavya correct. Swara correct. Arna correct. Remove last 8. What remains is 5 here. Add digits. 5 plus 2, 7. 61 divided by 9. Next. 61 divided by 9. Yeah, Bhavya correct. Anish correct. Sonam correct. Arna correct. Stravan correct. Arav correct. Good. So it's very easy. Just remove last 8. So what remains here is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now consider this. 63 divided by 9. So as per our rule, remove last sheet. So what remains is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. But we should understand that 9 cannot be remainder because we are dividing by 9. So answer of remainder has to be less than 9. Whenever you get answer of remainder 9, you have to make it 0 and add 1 to the quotient. So answer is 70. So now here, when you get 9, it means 0 because remainder has to be less than 9. Okay. So the answer of this is 70. Try this. 81 divided by 9. Whenever remainder is 9, make it 0, add 1 to the quotient. Yeah, Trisha, you have to write remainder 0 there. Okay, that is correct. Okay, Arav correct. Samarth correct. But then all of you note that Anish here, you are not use this. When you get remainder 9, you have to make it 0 and add 1 to the quotient. Anish, check. Trisha, Sana, Arna, correct. So 8 here, 8 plus 1 is 9. So we said whenever you get remainder as 9, make it 0, add 1 here, plus 1. So 90 is the answer. Okay, now I'll take slightly different situation. All of you see here. I'll solve this. 75 divided by 9. As per the rule, remove last 8. So quotient is 7. 7 plus 5, 12 you get. But 12 cannot be remainder as we have just discussed here. The remainder has to be less than 9. If it is 9, we are making it 0 and adding 1 to the quotient. Whereas if it is above 9, what you will do is find quotient remainder again by using same rule that 12 if you are dividing by 9, remove last digit, 1 is the quotient, add digits, 1 plus 2, 3 is the remainder. Moment you get answer of remainder less than 9, that is the final answer of remainder. And now we have got two quotients. 7 is a quotient, 1 is a quotient. Both you have to add. So 7 plus 1, 8. So quotient 8, remainder 3. Anybody has doubt? Anybody wants me to repeat? Just say repeat in the chat box if you want. Okay. See, here is one request for repeat. 75 divided by 9. Remove last digit. So answer is 7 here. Add digits 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 is above 9. When it is above 9, you have to find quotient remainder again with the same rule. As if 12 is divided by 9, remove last digit, 1 is the quotient, add digits, 1 plus 2, 3 is the remainder. Okay. So moment you get the answer less than 9, that is the final answer of remainder. Quotient, this is 1 here, this is 7 here. Both these quotients you have to add. And that becomes final quotient, and that is 8 here. So answer of 75 divided by 9 is 8, 3. Stavan, Malita, is it clear? Malita is clear. See, this is additional. I shall see here. 12 is greater than 9. So it's very clear that you will get additional quotient. Remainder has to be less than 9. If it is above 9, you will still have a quotient for that. So 12, if you divide 12 by 9, our rule, with our rule, 1 is a quotient, 1 plus 2, 3 is the remainder. Okay, Asher. So when answer of remainder is more than 9, that means still you have a quotient within that. And to get that, you have to follow the same rule. Ashel is okay or not convinced? That's what, no, miss. 7 is a main quotient. This is additional quotient. You'll get the correct quotient only when you add both quotient. 7 is the main quotient. Plus, when you divide by 12 by 9, you get additional value of the quotient. Okay. Try this. 85 divided by 9. 85 divided by 9. Samarth correct. I shall check your remainder answer. Confirm whether it is correct. Sonam correct. Samarth and Sonam correct. I shall you check your remainder. Arna correct. Stavan check your remainder. Vaishnavi correct. Arav correct. I shall correct now. Malita check your remainder. Swara correct. Laksh question you have not added additional part. Trisha correct. So remove all of you see here now. Remove last digit. So answer of quotient here is 8. Add digits. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 is above 9. Find quotient remainder again using the same rule. 13 divided by 9. Then remove this 3. Answer of quotient is 1. Add digit. 1 plus 3. 4. So moment you get answer of remainder less than 9, that is the final answer of remainder. This both quotients you have to add. So this one you have to add to 8 and answer here is 9. Quotient 9, remainder 4. Malika, it is okay. Check where you went wrong. Try this 74 divided by 9. 74 divided. Yeah, I shall correct. Good. Isha, correct. Samar, correct. Anish, correct. Sonam, correct. Good. Remove last sheet. Answer is 7 here. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 is above 9. So find quotient remainder again. Remove last sheet. 1 is a quotient. 1 plus 1, 2 is a remainder. So this is the final answer of remainder. This one you'll have to add here. Plus 1, 8. So answer is 8 quotient, 2 remainder. Okay, good. Many of you answered correctly. Take one more example and then we'll move to the next topic. 93 divided by 93 divided by yeah, Bhavya correct, good. Manish correct, Samarth correct, Swara correct, Disha you written only remainder, Ashel correct, Sonam correct, Sana correct, Vaishnavi correct. Remove last rate, so answer here is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 is above 9. So find quotient remainder again the same rule 1 plus 2 3. So 3 is the final answer of remainder. This one will add here. So 9 plus 1 10. So 10 quotient 3 remainder. Okay. So to check this answer you have to just whatever is the answer of quotient into 9 plus remainder. This calculation you should get the same number as this. Okay, just to check if you want to check on the calculator quotient, whatever answer of quotient into 9 plus remainder, you should get a number which you are dividing. Okay, so this if you want to try more problems and check yourself, this is how you can check. So we'll go to the next topic. Next topic is multiplication by series of 1. 10th topic or second topic of today's session. Multiplication by series of 1, like how we have studied series of 9. Here it is all numbers will one number will be all 1. For example, 42 multiplied by 1 1. Method is like this: whatever is the last digit of number, that will be the same in the answer. Last digit of number here will be the last digit of the answer. Then add digits. 4 plus 2 is 6. That is the middle digit. And first digit as it is. Last digit as it is. Add digit, that becomes middle digit. And then first digit as it is. Anybody has doubt? Hmm. Whatever is the last digit of number, that is the last digit of answer. Whatever is here, same is the last digit of answer. Add digits 4 plus 2, that becomes middle digit, and first digit as it is. So only calculation is of middle digit. For us, Sana, is it clear? I'll put one more example, say 32 multiplied by whatever is the last digit, that is the last digit of answer. Add digits 3 plus 2, 5, that is the middle. And first digit. Swara, Sana, is it okay? Just confirm. Okay, Swara, Sana, is it clear to you? Okay. So try this. 53 multiplied by 11. Next problem, 53 multiplied by 11. Yeah, Malika correct. Swara correct. Trisha correct. Sonam correct. Samarth correct. Arav correct. Stavan correct. Bhavya correct. Good. So 3 as it is. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 as it is. 63 multiplied by 11. Next. Yeah. Malika correct. Stavan correct. Sana correct. Visha correct. Arav correct. Nirosha correct. Samarth correct. Lux correct. 3 as it is. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 6. Only middle you have to calculate. 72 multiplied by 11. Yeah, Sana correct. Swara correct. Arav correct. Trisha correct. Anish correct. Vaishnavi correct. Samarth correct. Bhavya correct. Lux correct. Good. So 2 as it is. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 7. Hmm. Now see this I'll solve. All of you concentrate. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. We have studied this concept that whenever you get two-digit answer, write last digit, extra digit you carry to the next step. So next step, instead of writing 7 there, 7 plus this carry 1, 8. So answer is 825. Anybody has doubt? Okay, try this. Always, at least first problem, you should always write steps so that you'll understand it easily when you refer that notes later on. 78. Yeah, Stavan correct, Sana correct, Samarth correct, Malita correct, Lux correct, Anish correct. Good. 8, 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 out of that, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 8, 5. Congratulations to all those who have done correctly. Next 64 multiplied by 11. 64 multiplied by 11. Yeah, Samarth correct, good. Stavan correct, Visha correct, Bhavya correct, Anish correct, Malita correct, Nirosha correct, Arav correct, Sonam correct. Good. 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 0, 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. 73 multiplied by 11. Malita correct, Samarth correct, Isha correct, Anish, there's some interchange of the digits. Sana correct, Bhavya correct, Sonam correct, Vaishnavi correct, Arav correct, correct, Stavan last digit you check. Nirosha correct, Arna correct. 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, so 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 803. 94 into 11. Yes, Dhawan correct, Malika correct, Trisha correct, Anish correct, Sana correct, Swara correct, Samarth correct, Aro correct, Sonam Vaishnavi correct. 4, 9 plus 4 is 13, so 3 out of that carry 1, 9 plus that carry 1, 10. Okay, now here it is last step, so 10 you have to write as it is. 1034. Okay. Any doubt? Anybody has doubt? No. So now we'll go for more digits. All the problems what we have done so far is 2 digits to 1. So before we go to the next, just copy this note. Maximum number of digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. Now, Lux, you want that last repetition? Okay. 94 into 11. Lakshya, 4. Last sheet as it is. Next. 9 plus 4 is 13. You have to take 3 out of that, carry 1. Next step, 9 plus that carry 1, 10. 1034. Is it clear, Lux? Swara, there's a, okay, I'll just read so that if some you cannot see. Maximum, it's a note, maximum number of digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. Maximum digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. If this is not visible, just copy that. Equal to number of ones. I'll explain with the example what it is. Say 213 multiplied by 1. So far we have done 2-digit 2 ones. Now we are going for 3-digit 2 ones. So first step, all of you concentrate, fully concentrate now. First step, same. Last digit as it is. That is same what we have used here. Next step, add these 2 digits. So it is same again. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay, now concentrate on this note. Maximum digits you, sorry, maximum number of digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. Swara, concentrate here. Okay, so because there are 2 ones, maximum will be adding 2 digits. You will not add all 3 digits because there are only 2 ones. But there are still digits left to the on the left hand side. What you have to do is remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So that means next you have to add 2 and 1. Okay, when you reached maximum, that is maximum number of ones, there are 2 ones, so maximum digits you are adding is 2. When you have reached maximum, still there are digits to the left, remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So next step is 2 plus 1, 3. And now first digit as it is. Only this is extra step. 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 2. Answer here will be 4 digits. Anybody wants me to repeat, just say repeat in the chat. 7 here, 4, sorry, this last digit 3 as it is. There's no change, it's the same step. 1 plus 3 is 4. With this note, what we are learning is because there are 2 ones, maximum will be adding 2 digits. We will not add all 3. So, but there are still digits left. Remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So next you have to add these 2, 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 2. So 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2. See, if you have to just follow this rule, says maximum digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is the maximum because there are 2 ones. When you reach maximum, if there are still digits left, you remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And now there is nothing left. So first digit as it is. Try this and write answer in chat box. 5, 1, 2. multiplied by 1. No answer so far. Although the last digit is not printed properly. Yeah, Stavan correct, Sonam correct, Samarth you have to try again, and Arav correct now. Nirusha you have to try again, Swara correct, Nirusha, Samarth try again. Sana correct, Malika correct, Arna, one extra digit has come Arna. Risha correct, Vaishnavi correct, Anish correct, Arna correct, Bhavya correct. Okay, 2 here as it is, 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, you have to add this 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. And first with 5, 752 multiplied by 1. Seven, very good, correct. Sunam, correct. Arav, correct. Uh, Isha, correct. Swara, that one extra, whenever you get 2 digits, you have to add it to the left Swara. Bhavya, correct. Anish, correct. Arna, correct. Malika, correct. Nirosha, correct. So 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, the general rule what you have said is whenever you get 2 digits, you write last digit, extra digit you have to carry. 7 plus that carry 1, 8. 8 to 7. Okay. So this was 3 digits, 2 ones. Now we'll go for 3 digits, 3 ones. All of you concentrate. I'll solve this first last digit as it is. I purposely taken same number here so that you can clearly understand the difference. Next, 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, because there are 3 ones, you have to add all 3, which we were not adding here because there are only 2 ones here. So next step is 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6. Okay. So we have reached to that maximum. Now we have to go on reducing. That is next is 2 plus 1, 3, and then 2. So answer you can see here is a 5 digit. Here it is 4 digit. Here you are not adding all 3 because there are only 2 ones. Here there are 3 ones. So you have to add all 3. That is what note says here. Maximum number of digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. Because there are 2 ones here, maximum we are adding 2 digits. Because there are 3 ones here, we are adding maximum up to 3 digits. Okay, somewhat here. 3, last digit as it is. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, because there are 3 ones, next step you have to add all 3. 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6. Okay. So now that you have reached to the left, you have to just go on reducing. Next is just this 2 plus 1 is 3 and then 2. Okay, Samarth? Arav, very good, correct. Swara, good, correct. Sonam, correct, good. Bhavya, correct, good. Sana correct, Nirusha correct, Vaishnavi correct. Good. Anish correct, Trisha correct. Okay, stop and see. No? 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. You are adding all three because there are three ones. Then 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5. Next 7, 5, 2 multiplied by 1, 1, 1. No Stavan, try again. No Swara. Swara, there should be 5-digit answer here. Sonam is first to get correct. Sana, you are writing only 4-digit. You have missed one step. Arav, correct. Good. Samarth, there is some mistake. Malita, correct. Samarth, you have to see the second digit. There is a mistake there. Bhavya, correct. Stavan, no. Sana, correct. No. Anish, correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Okay, see here. 2. Next, right side because some of you have made mistake. 5 plus 2, 7. Next, you have to add all three. 7 plus 5 plus 2 is 14. So whenever you get 2 digit, you have to write last digit, extra digit you have to carry. Next step is 7 plus 5. Plus there is a carry here. 12 plus 1, 13. So you will write 3, carry again 1 to the next step, and next step you have to write 7 plus there is a carry 1, 8. 83472. 83472. Anybody has doubt? So let's now learn in general for any combination. Okay, so first we did 2-digit 2 ones, then 3-digit 2 ones, and here 3-digit 3 ones. But we should learn to work with any number of digits, any number of ones. Any number of digits, any number of ones. Now let's see who can get this correct. Try yourself. I'll explain it afterwards. I want to see if any of you can answer this correctly. So there are 2 digits, 3 ones, but because there are 3 ones, you have to add 3 digits. So you have to make this 3-digit. Try, then I'll show you. You have to make this number 3-digit. You have studied that in series of 9. No, Sana. So answer you'll be fine. Bhavya, very good. Samarth, no. First digit is a mistake. Arav, no, there is some mistake. So far only Bhavya is correct. Samarth is correct. Second to get correct. Okay, see here. First thing I said, you have to make this 3-digit because you have 3 ones, so you have to add 3-digit, and that you can achieve by just putting 0 here. Any number of zeros to the left does not change number. So 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. Next step is 0 plus 2 plus 3 is again 5. Next step is 0 plus 2 is 2. And if you want, you write 0. Okay, but the answer will remain as 255. Arrow, just check here. You have put 2 times, 2 maybe typing mistake, just check. So congratulations to all those who could get this correct. Try this 42 into 111. Okay, try this. Yeah, Trisha correct, good. Samarth correct, good. Bhavya correct. Varna correct. Arav correct. Sonam correct, good. So again same, put 0 and solve it as normal. 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. Next is 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. Next is 0 plus 4 is 4. And if you want, you write 0. 4, 6, 6, 2. Okay. Congratulations to all those who got correct. Now see whether you can do this correctly. Okay, I'll explain this. Just all of you see here. 4 digit into 2 ones. So our main rule is maximum digits you are adding is equal to number of ones. That if you note, you can solve any number of digits, any number of ones. If there are less digits, just put zeros and match equal to number of one and solve it. Now see here, 3, first step. 2 plus 3 is 5. And that is a maximum. Now when you reach maximum, if there are still digits, remove one digit from right, take one digit from left. So next you have to add 1 plus 2, that is 3. Still there is digit to the left, so remove this 2 and take this 3. So next you have to add this 3 plus 1, 4, and then first digit as it is. 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. So that is a maximum because you have got 2 ones, maximum you are adding 2 digits. Now you are removing this 3 and you are taking this 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then you are removing this 2 and taking this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then first digit as it is. So this 2, and next is this 2, and third is this 2. 7 here. 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 3. First last digit as it is. Then 2 plus 3. That is maximum because there are only 2 ones. Understand this basic point. Because there are 2 ones, maximum will be adding 2 digits. Still there are digits to the left. Remove one digit from right, take one digit from left. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Still there is digits to the left. So remove this 2 and take this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 3. Is it okay, 7? Try this now. 4, 2, 1, 3 multiplied by 1. Good, Malita, correct. Sonam, good, correct. Arav, correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Trisha, correct. Good. Stavan, correct. Anish, correct. Bhavya, correct. Swara, correct. Good. Stop and see. 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 4. 4, 6, 3, 4, 3. Okay, this I'll solve 4 digit into 3 ones. This was for last two problems of 4 digit 2 ones. See, if you just follow that rule, maximum digits you have to add is equal to number of ones, you can solve any combination. 1, next is 3 plus 1 is 4. Next is, because there are 3 ones, we will be going maximum up to 3 digits because there are 3 ones. Maximum digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. That is a maximum, but there are still digits to the left. Remove one digit from right, take one digit from left. So next is this 3. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. And now you have to reduce. Just 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. That is the maximum digits. Still there is a digit to the left. Remove one digit from right, take one digit from left. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Arav, check the answer. Stubborn here. 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Because there are 3 ones, what it says, that rule note is maximum you have to add 3 digits because there are 3 ones. Okay, so this situation you reached maximum. First one, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. Okay, and now there are still digits to left. So you have to remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So next we'll be adding these three. 2 plus 1 plus 3, that gives you 6. And now we are reached to the left, so just reduce one by one. Next is 2 plus 1, 3, and then 2. Okay, so Savan, Malita, is it clear now? 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 maxi. The basic rule is maximum digits you have to add is equal to number of ones. That's why we are adding up to 3. And second rule is if there are digits to the left, remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left, and that you have to continue till you reach leftmost. Now here in the next step only you are reached. Once you reach leftmost, you have to go on reducing. After 2 plus 1 plus 3, you have to take just 2 and 1, that is 3, and then 2. 4, 2, 1, 3 multiplied by 1, 1, 1. Yeah, Malita, correct, good. Sonam, correct, good. Arav, correct, good. Dhawan, Dhawan, there is slight mistake. Second and third digit, there is a mistake. Sana, correct. Arna, correct. Swara, correct. Samarth, you got extra digit. Trisha, correct. Okay, check here. Stop now. 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. Okay, 3 ones. So we have reached maximum. When you reach maximum, if there are still digits left, remove 1 digit from right, take 1 digit from left. So next is this 3 you have to add. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And now we have reached left, so you have to go on reducing. 4 plus 2, 6. And then 4. 4, 6, 7, 6, 4, 3. Okay. Okay, so try more problems yourself. Take any number and any number of ones. Okay, so what we have learned actually in general, any number of digits, any number of ones you can solve. Try practice number of problems and see that you check it to calculator. If you are not getting something wrong and you are not understanding, you post that problem. Okay, so we'll move to the next topic. Okay, anybody has doubt in that last? Okay. So next topic is magic square. Okay. So next 11th topic is magic square. Now magic square is like this. We'll be considering actually odd numbers here. The logic what we are going to study is for odd numbers. Odd numbers means 3. Starting with a 3. The lowest or smallest magic square which you can draw with the method what we are going to study is 3 by 3. Meaning of this 3 by 3 here is 3 rows. These horizontal ones are called rows. Vertical ones are called columns. So understand the meaning of this 3 by 3 refers to 3 rows, horizontal and 3 columns vertical. Now first, okay, copy this first. Okay, Bhavya, one. Yes, Sana, 3 into 3 is 9, but we are not referring to this multiplication. It refers to 3 rows. First number refers to number of rows, second number refers to number of columns. So if you want to answer how many these boxes are there, then you have to multiply this. Sana, if you are referring that 9 basically refers to this, there are 9 boxes. If you multiply that, you will get 3 into 3, 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Sana, your question is answered. I don't know why you written that, but if just clarify if you have got still doubt. Yeah. The one always we refer first number for rows and second number for columns. But because both these numbers are same, it does not make a difference. Okay, now understand what is magic square. Magic square is square with unique numbers. In these all boxes, there should be unique number such that sum of each row here, whether you consider this, or this, as well as each column, that is this, as well as both diagonal. This joining opposite corners are called diagonal. Now in the diagonal also you can see that there will be 3 boxes. This plus this plus this. And second diagonal is this plus this plus. If all these totals are same, it is called magic square. Okay. So magic square is square with unique numbers. Means each box should have a unique number. No repetition. Okay. Such that if you add this plus this, whatever answer you get, that will be same here also. This plus this also will give same. This plus this also will give same. Okay, if you add this way also, it should give same. And also this 2 diagonal. That means all 8 totals, there are total 8 totals you'll get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All 8 totals should be same. Then that square, whatever you have drawn with the numbers, is called magic square. Hmm? Any questions to understand magic square? How to draw? We'll study. Okay, all of you have copied this diagonal. Okay, now here there are steps with which you can draw magic square. So you can draw any big magic square. The logic what we are learning here is what we have just considered here is 3 by 3, but you can extend it for bigger number, but only odd number. Meaning is after 3 by 3, next you can try 5 by 5. Okay? 4 by 4, you have got different logic. What we are learning here is a logic for odd number magic square. Next will be 9 by 9. Next will be 11 by 11. Like this, you can draw any big, but we are considering odd numbers. Okay. So now copy systematically the steps. Just with 2 steps, means second step, you have to go on repeating. You can draw any big magic square. Write first number at the middle of last column. That is the first step to be performed only once. And second step, you have to go on repeating. And when you are repeating second step, there are certain rules which you have to study. And once you learn that rule, you can draw any big magic square within no time. Just copy this and say done. Then I'll start explaining. Okay, Swara, Samarth. So note that here, this first step you are performing only once. Understand why we take odd numbers, because with odd number you get exact middle. Write first number at the middle of the last column. This is the last column. First column, second column, last column. And you will get exact middle only if you have got an odd number. Okay, that's why this rule what you are studying is only for odd number. Trisha, what is that? You cannot repeat numbers. Okay, this each box number should be different. Okay, if you can repeat number, you'll put only one number and you'll get it correct. Okay, Trisha, are you referring to that? This number in each box should be different. Okay, Trisha. Okay, all are ready? Anybody is still copying? I want that when I explaining this now, you should not copy. Okay, all of you see that you close your book. Don't copy, don't make attempt to copy. You should be able to do it yourself. Once you can do 3 by 3 yourself, you'll be able to draw 5 by 5, 7 by 7, 9 by 9 yourself. But if you copy when I'm explaining, then you will understand only 3 by 3. So don't make attempt to copy. Don't make any attempt to copy. Try to understand the logic, method, and the rules. Basically, when you're performing the second step, you have to go on repeating. But when you're repeating this, there are 3 rules. Once you learn those 3 rules, any big magic square you can draw. So far, my student has drawn biggest magic square 45 by 45. That is the biggest magic square. Correct. Means many have tried beyond 45, some have tried beyond 50, but so far correctly drawn biggest magic square by my student is 45 by 40. Okay, so all of you close your book, close your pen and concentrate. Write first number at the middle. See, when you are drawing 3 by 3, default first number is 1 and last number you get just by multiplying. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, and that is very clear because there are 9 boxes. You have to fill numbers 1 to 9. Okay, see you now. First step is over. First number at the middle of last column. Write first number at the middle of last column. Okay. Next step, it says move one box down. One box down. Your movement is like this. One box down, one box right. All the time you will be just doing this movement. One box down, one box right. Now you have a situation where it goes out of the box. So now you have to learn rule. There are 3 rules, as I said. One rule is when it goes out, what you should do. The answer is when it goes out, you have to write the next number in the first box in corresponding row or column. This way it will be row, this way it will be column. So 2 will come here. Continue down, right? Down, right. Again, it is out of the box. So 3 will come on the top here. When it is out, first box. Down, right, out, first box. Down, right, out, first box. Now continue down, right. This is the second situation now. One situation, one rule which you have studied is out, first box. Down, right, box is already occupied. So here you should learn where to put the next number. When you move down, right, if box is already occupied, next number should be left of it. Let's concentrate here. Down, right, occupied, left of current. Whatever is the current number is 3, left of that is 4. Down, right, 5 is here. Down, right, 6 is here. Now only for last box, this is the last box. You should not use down right rule, because if you use down right rule, let's see. If you use down right, imaginary box is here and you don't get anything in that row or column. So with this, you learn that only for last box, you don't use down right. When you fill last box, next number should be left of it. Okay, continue down right out here. Don't make any attempt to copy. If you copy, you'll understand only 3 by 3. Out, so 8 will come here. Down right, out, 9 will come here. Now let's check the total. Don't copy, don't make any attempt to copy. All of you concentrate now. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Now check this. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6. This also is 15. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 8. This also is 15. So all 8 totals are 15, and that's why it is called magic square. Okay, so I'll explain you one more time, but don't make any attempt to copy. If you copy, you'll understand maximum 3 by 3, but our aim is to see that I'll just explain quickly now, second time. Don't make again any attempt to copy. You should do independently. Once you do 3 by 3 independently, you'll be able to draw 5 by 5, 7 by 7, and so on. First step, write first number at the middle of last column. 1. Down, right, out, first ball. Just see the movement. Down, right, out, first ball. Down, right, occupied, left of current. Down, right, down, right. Only for last box, you don't use down, right. When you fill last box, next number is here, left of it. Only for this one box. Down, right, out, 8 is here. Down, right, out, 9 is here. See here, 1. Second step, down, right, 2 here. Down, right, out, 4 here. The third next step is down, right, occupied. When it is occupied, next number should be left of current. Current number is 3, left of that is here. So there are 3 rules. When it is out, first ball. When it is occupied, left of the current, and only last ball, you should not use down, right. When you fill last ball, next should be left of it. Okay, all of you make attempt now. You make attempt to solve it. So unless you try yourself, you will not understand. So you have to try independently. Each one of you try. I'll give 2 minutes and just say done if you are finished. Then again I'll explain you. So don't worry if you are not understood still. I'll explain you. I'll also post the YouTube videos where you can learn that. But right now I wanted all of you should try independently. If you're finished, just say done. Okay, Malita has finished. Arav has finished. Good. Sonam has finished. Swara has done. Sterwan has done. Sara Raksh has done. Okay. Now all of you stop and see here, concentrate here. I'll explain again and then check and tell me whether you got correct. Okay. So first step, right? First number at the middle of last column. This is the last column, this is the middle. First step is over. This is only once. This you are going on repeating, and while repeating this, you are learning 3 rules. So any big magic square, those 3 rules will remain same. Down, right, when it is out, first rule. When it is out, you take it in the first box. Down, right, Again out, first box. Down, right, occupied, second rule. You cannot write second number in the same place. So when you have a situation when you move down, right, and box is already occupied, left of column. Sorry. Next number 4 will come. Down, right, 5 direct. Down, right, 6 direct. Third rule is only for last box. When you fill last box, next number should be left of it. And again, continue down, right, out, 8 will come here. Down, right, out, 9 will come here. Now check and just indicate correct if you have got correct. Okay, Malika got correct. Sana got correct. Swara got correct. Trisha got correct. Sonam got correct. Lakshya already that he got correct. Anna got correct. Dhawan got correct. Laksh got correct. But congratulations to those who got correct. Who got correct. So now I want that you should continue for a bigger boxes, bigger magic square. Let's see who completes first. So here this is 5 by 5, 5 rows, 5 columns. Number, default number starts the 1 and 5 into 5, it is 25. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 into 5, 25 boxes. So 25 numbers here. This is 7 by 7. So first number by default is 1 and the last number you get just by multiplying 7 into 7, 49. So first step for 5 by 5, first step is write first number at the middle of last column. Second step, down, right, out, 2 will come here. Okay. Down, right, 3 here, down, right, 4 here, sorry, down, right, 3 here, down, right, it is out, so 4 will come on the top. Okay. With this you continue. I'll give again 2 minutes, try and see if you can complete within 2 minutes. Continue and just say done if you have finished. Then I'll explain you. Don't worry if you have not understood. You have to just follow same rules. Down, right, and those 3 rules. Out, first box. Occupied, left of column. And only for the last box, just note here, only for this you will directly write next year. Rest all will continue. After that again will continue. Sonam, you have finished 5 by 5. Just say 5 by 5 there. Malita, you have finished 5 by 5. Good. Good. Wait for others. At least once some 5, 6. Good. Malita, just wait for some time for others. Then we'll do it on the screen. Okay, Sonam. So 2 have completed 5 by 5. Let's see whether they got correct. I'm waiting for at least 5, 6 students to say done. Then I'll show you. Arav has done 3. Three have finished. I'll wait for at least 5, 6 students and then I'll show. Only 3 so far have confirmed that they have completed. Okay, Swara is 4th. Sana is fifth. Stavan is sixth. Okay. All of you stop now and see here. Stop if you're not completed and check first first number in the middle of last column, down right out 2 here, down right 3 here. All of you check now, those who have completed. Down right out 4 here. Check as I write, you check. Down right 5 here. Down right occupied, second rule, when it is occupied, left of current. Check this whether you have got this correct. Down right 7, down right 8, down right out 9 here, down right out 10 here, 9, down right out 10 will be on the top. Okay, so far how many of you have got correct? Just say correct in the chat box if you have got correct up to this. Okay, Malita, good. Stavan, Arav, Sonam, Samarth, good. So continue. You continue checking. Those who have doubt, you can just check where you went wrong, or those who got wrong, just check where you went wrong. Down right occupied, left of current. So 11 will come here. Down right 12 will come here. Down right 13 will come here. Down right 14 will come here. Down right 15 will come here. Only for last box we don't use down right. After 15, 16 should be written here, and then continue down right. Just check whether you got correct. So down right 17 here. Now tell me how many of you got correct up to this. Just say correct again if you are correct. You got correct up to this. Yeah, Rao, Malita, Bhavya, Sonam. Good, good. So continue now. 17 down right out. 18 will come here. Down right 19 will come here. Down right 20 will come here. Common mistake I found here, after writing 20, many writes 21 here. That is wrong. See 20 down right occupied, left of current. So 21 will come here. Down right 22, down right out 23 will come here. Down right, down right 20. So how many of you have got full correct? Just write full correct in the chat box. If you got full correct. Good, Malita. Congratulations. Stavan got few correct. Arav got few correct. Congratulations, Stavan, Arav, Sonam. Good. Congratulations if you got this full correct. Now, just tell if anybody wants me to repeat this 5 by 5. Just okay. Trisha wants. Anybody else wants me to repeat? If there are 2, 3 students, then only I'll repeat. Otherwise, I'll send you the video where you will be able to learn that. Anybody else wants me to repeat 5 by 5? Okay, Vaishnavi Swara. Okay. So I'll repeat 5 by 5. Those who got 5 by 5 correct, try 7 by 7. Let's see whether you can get. So you will concentrate and do 7 by 7. Those who have got 5 by 5 correct. Some 4, 5, 6 students had got that correct. So they should try 7 by 7. And those who have difficulty for this, just see, I'll repeat. So fully concentrate now. If you want, you can just draw these boxes. I'll wait for you and you can draw it with me if you're interested. Trisha, Vaishnavi, Swara, if you want, you draw these boxes freshly and you can draw with me. Malita, can you tell what number you got here? Just check this middle of first. Very good. That means it's correct. Try 9 by 9. Manita. Good. Okay, I'll shortly teach you how to check yourself whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, see here. All of you start. If you have drawn first step, first number at the middle of last column, and only step, second step which you have to repeat is down right. And when you're doing that, there are three exceptions. Good Sonam. Down right out. When it is out, it is first four. So down right, three here. Down right out, four here. Down right, five here. Anywhere if you have got doubt, just say repeat in the chat box. I will repeat. Down, even if you just say R, if you write in the chat box, I will consider that it is repeat because immediately you have to stop me. After 5, down right, occupied. When it is occupied, left of current. So 6 will come here. Down right, 7 here. Down the right, 8 here. Down right, out, 9 here. Out means first ball. Down right, out again, first ball. Down right, occupied. Occupied means left of current. Okay, after 10, down right, occupied, left of. Down right, 12 will come here. Down right, 13 will come here. Down right, 14 will come here. Down right, 15 will come here. Okay, this is the last pop. Only for last pop, we don't use down right. When you fill last pop, next number should be left of it. And then continue down. Only for this, only for the last pop. Down right, out, 17 will come here. Down right, out, 18 will come here. Down right, 19 will come here. Down right, 20. After 20 is here, down right, occupied, left of current. So 21 will come here. Down right, 22 will come here. Down right, out, 23 will come here. Down right, 24. And down right, 24. Okay, so still if you have got doubt, you go through that. I'll send you some videos of this all. So you'll get this recording also. So that also you can. Now we'll quickly draw this 7 by 7. Fully concentrate now. Don't do it with me. I'll do it fast. 1, middle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's the middle. Down right. Before that, you note that here 5 by 5. First number is 1. Last number is 5 into 5 is 25. This is 7 by 7. First number is 1. Last number is 7 into 7, 49. So you should get 49 at the last. But where your question is not clear. So where your question is not clear what you are trying to say. You want to ask through mic, I'll allow you to unmute. Boy, you're telling me to wait. I'm not clear about your message. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute as you asked. Okay, Bhavya, stop and see her now. This is the first number, first step. Sonam, very good. I'll teach you shortly how to check yourself. So right now, all of you concentrate and see here. Down right, out, 2 will come here. Down right, 3 here. Down right, 4 here. Down right, out, 5 will come here. Down right, 6 here. Down right, 7 here, down right occupied, left of current, down right 9 here, down right 10 here, down right out, so 11 will come here, down right 12 here, down right out 13 will come here, down right 14 here, down right occupied, left of current 15 will come here, down right, down right, down right, down right, down right out, so 20 will come here, down right out, so 21 will come here, down right occupied, left of current, so 22 will come here, down right 23, down right 24, down right 25, down right 26, good Malita, 27, down right 28. Last box, only for last box, no down right. After writing last box, you have to write next number left of it and then continue down right out 30 here, down right out 31, down right 32. All those who are done 7 by 7, check whether you have got correct. Down right 33, down right 34, down right 35. Now see after 35, down right occupied, left of current. So 36 is here, down right 37, down right out 38 here, down right 39 here, down right out 40 here, down right 41 here, down right 42 here, down right occupied, left of current 40, down right 44, down right 45, down right out 46 here, down right 47 here, down right 48 here, down right out 49 here. Okay, how many got 7 by 7 correct? Just say correct. Okay, Trisha got correct 7 by 7. Okay, Haro got correct. Very good. Malika, Sonam, just confirm whether you got correct. Sonam got correct. Malika got correct. Sana got correct. Sona, very good. Now, all of you fully concentrate. I'll teach you how to check yourself. I already told you. This is actually just an interesting subject. There are a lot of applications at higher level maths. At this stage, you are just learning this as a fun. Okay. And for those who are interested for all Vedic mathematics tests, you have to go through on YouTube a video, which I'll post it in your group, where you should learn how to calculate the middle number and total. Okay. So for calculating total and middle number, there's a formula. Like actually total of this will be 65. So for that, there's a formula. Without actually totaling, you can know what calculate the total. For this, it is total will be 175. We just add this, it will be 175. Okay. So you'll be learning two things that I'm not teaching, or that is not included in the course, but then those who are interested for all they should learn that. Otherwise, if you're not interested for all it is not compulsory. This is the middle number. For calculating this, there is a formula. For calculating this total, there is a formula. Okay, so that is required if you are interested to answer all. So see here, first you start with the first number, exactly opposite you should get last number. If you're not getting 25 here, that means it's a mistake. You start with the 1 here, exactly opposite to the last number. Okay. And now final check is like this. 1 plus 25 is 26. That total should match in all corner point and midpoint. See here, 11 plus 15 is also 26. 9 plus 17 is also 26. And 4 plus 22 is also 26. If you're getting this, you can consider that your magic square is correct. Any big magic square, you can check yourself. First check is exactly opposite of 1. You should get last number. What is the last number? You can get just by multiplying this. Next, you'll be drawing 9 by 9. For 9 by 9, 9 into 9, 81 will be the last number. And first plus last, in this case, 1 plus 49 is 50. And if you check the corner and midpoint totals of corner points and midpoints will be same. 22 plus 28 is 50. 20 plus 30 is also 50, and 5 plus 45 is 50. So if you get all this correct, that means your magic square is correct. First check last number. First plus last should match, that total should match in corner and midpoint. If you're getting that, means your magic square is correct. Okay, thank you.